All right, so I got in to start my Honda Ridge line today after work, and it said that the key fob had a low battery. So this is my key. It's got this little button on the back. You push down on that button and pull this out, and this is your physical key. Okay, so if you look at this key, you'll see in the very middle there's a couple of different pieces there, and so we need to put something in there and sort of twist it so you can get like a regular flathead screwdriver. Just put it right in the middle like this, and then twist the screwdriver. Looks like you're unscrewing something and you hear that come apart. And just finish it off with your hands, and it'll reveal that. So there's your battery. That's what we need to change. It's a C2032. All the Hondas I've ever had use the same size. Okay, just got to get that out of there. That can be, yeah, I'm trying not to peel up the whole thing there. Okay. So here's our new one. These are Energizer 2032s. I'll put a link in the description. I bought those off of Amazon. You can find them about anywhere. Okay, so I got the new one in. I'm going to take this piece, line it up, and just snap it back together. Then we'll take our key and we'll pop it back in, and it's done. So I hope that's been helpful. Check out the link in the description for the batteries.